I know you know about TikTok creativity programs, but right here in this very video, I'm going to simply show you this AI tool which automate TikTok for you just by dropping this particular prompt, which I'm going to show you right here in this very video. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply show you how everything works and how you can simply do this. And I'm also going to review the name of this very AI tool as we proceed in this very video. Don't skip this video so that you won't miss out any important part of the video. This particular AI tool, which I'm going to review as we proceed in this video, allows you to create multiple AI videos for your TikTok. Alright, but don't bother yourself, we're not going to be uploading videos right here. All you have to do is simply go ahead and give this particular tool a prompt, then it's going to simply do the work for us. Alright, on this platform you can generate viral videos of any niche. Alright, and if you scroll down right, you're going to see the videos get over 1 million views. This one 1.1 million views, this one got 600,000 views, 300,000 views, and if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see more that get lots of views on this very platform. And this is going to simply work for you if you pay close attention to this very video. If you scroll down right here, this is the most interesting part of it. If you come to this section, you're going to see there are lots of niches that you can simply partner with. This is the bricks and mortar niche, and this is the e-commerce niche, this is dropshipping niche, this is physical product niche, and SaaS product niche. This platform right here is going to simply help you a lot to automate your TikTok. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this sign up button, this free trial right here. When you click on this, the next you have to do is simply input your name right here, input your email. Let's say I'm going to simply add johnfrancis@padedvibe.com. Then I'm going to simply add that again. Then I have to simply add the password, so I'm going to simply use the password from Google. Then I'm going to accept the terms and condition and click on this sign up button. All right, so when you click on the sign up button, your account is going to be created right now. All right, so you can show right here the account has been created just right now. Please, where did you hear about us? You can simply select where you heard about them. Let's say YouTube. Then who told you about us? You can simply add my name right here. Let's say John Francis. All right, then click on this submit button. All right, so our account has been created. You can show by here you can simply select your story type, but before we select our story type, we're going to simply look out for, you can select any niche of your choice. You can see we have the motivational niche, we have the fun fact niche, we have the scary story, we have bedtime, we have relationship right here, and a lot more. Right, you can also select the custom prompt. Okay, if you scroll down to this section right here, you can simply create a promotional video of any product of your choice. Okay, this is what I said here. If you have a product or services you want to promote, this option will help you to create a short promotional video designed to sell that focus on your product and services. Okay, so if you click on this right here, you can simply select the type of template you want to use. Okay, but this one right here costs you money. If you can spend $30 per month, then you can simply create a series of promotional videos and use that for your TikTok. But if you don't want to spend money, keep watching this video, because I'm going to simply show you how to get that. Okay, so you need to do is simply come over to this very section right here. You have to simply select any of these stuff right here. I want to go with the relationship and drama. You can simply add your custom background right here. Okay, and this particular strategy is going to simply generate tons of videos for you, right, free of charge. Okay, you're not going to be paying anything, and these videos you can simply upload them on TikTok and Instagram and also on YouTube Short. All right, so once you get all your videos from this video platform, you just have to make sure you head over to this video website, which I'm going to show you, which is called Digistore24. All right, so this is a platform that allows you to promote product of other people. All right, for instance, if Amazon has a product and they want people to buy and they don't know where to get the people that will buy, and you have the people that will buy it, okay, for instance your audience on TikTok, you just have to make sure you head over to this very platform and locate Amazon and make sure you apply to promote that product from Amazon. And whenever you make sales, Amazon pays. That is affiliate marketing. All right, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this get started button. So you just have to make sure you sign up on Digistore24. Okay, if you don't have an account already, you have to make sure you sign up on the platform. Let's say I want to put in my name. I already have an account, but I'm going to simply show you how to sign up on the platform. All right, so just have to add your email, your name right here. Let's say you're John Francis. I already have my name, so I'm going to simply use John. Let's say John Francis C, then IS, so that it will be different. All right, so add your email address right here. Then I'm going to add my email address, then select a password, the strong password that Google recommend. Then select whether you're a vendor or affiliate. Okay, so the select affiliate because we want to make, right, so just come over to this section and click on this continue button, and you can show right here they said here my email is already in use. Okay, let's say I want to use support@padedvibe.com. all right, so this is what we have there. So I'm going to simply select another password. Let's say suggest a password, use this, then scroll down and click on this continue button. Let's see if the email is used. No. Okay, so that one has already successfully gone there. So this is what we have here. Sign up right here, select your title, then Mr. Extra, let's say John. All right, then your first name, make sure you do this. All right, then your last name, let's say Francis. All right, then your company name, let's say Padded Vibes. So even if you don't have company name, just add your name right there. Okay, it's not really compulsory. Okay, then your address, just have to make sure you select any address of your choice right here. Once you're done with all of this registration, just click on this register for free at this moment, and when your account is registered, head straight to this very section that says digital marketplace. Okay, so on this marketplace, you have to simply select digital product you want to promote. Okay, the video they've already generated for you, you can simply use that to promote this on TikTok. Okay, so you need to do is simply come over to this very section right here. You're going to see right here there are a lot of products categories. This is the product category right here, and if you come to this section, we have the digital product. Under digital product, we have the animal, we have the pet, we have lots and lots of them right here. Okay, select your category you want to promote. Okay, and when you select that, come over to this very section. You're going to see this one right here is willing to pay you this, and when you make sale, all right, whichever product you select here, all of them was going to simply come up here. Okay, so even if you want to go with this one, you can select another one right here so that you can understand what I'm doing right here. Okay, for instance, if you go to marketing services, if you click on marketing services, this is automatically going to refresh. Okay, and you're going to see another set of product right here. Okay, so whatever thing you do here will pop up here, so you can select. Okay, so if you go back to this digital product, and let's say we select business, or let's say we select dating, relationship, because we selected relationship videos, all right, because the platform is going to generate relationship videos for us. Just click on this relationship section right here, and you're going to see the relationship stuff right here that's going to simply help you. So you just have to come over to this section. Remember, we are not dealing with marketing services. Delete that. We're going to be left with relationship stuff right here. You can see how to date any girl. So for you to promote this product, just hit on this promote button, and you're going to simply copy this link and click on the confirm button that you've already copied it. Then go ahead and publish the videos you've already generated from this very AI tool, and the name of this AI tool is faceless.video. all right, so when you generate this video, upload them on TikTok, and also add your affiliate link on your bio, on your TikTok bio. But remember, if you're promoting multiple affiliate products, you can simply go ahead and build a bio page for yourself, so you can add all of the links right there and use the bio page link as your TikTok bio link. Okay, so you can use Linktree. You can use Linktree to generate your bio. Okay, so this bio will contain all the product link that you're going to be promoting, and use the Linktree bio link on your TikTok bio page. Okay, and this is going to simply help. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but it's going to simply be making you simply use as your pocket money. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel and also on our Patreon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.